Americans' trust in public institutions, including higher education, has declined substantially over the last decade. There has been a decrease of people reporting to have a great deal or quite a lot of confidence in higher education, dropping from 57% in 2015 to 36% in 2023, according to a poll from Gallup. So today I'll be tackling this loss of public trust in higher education, why it happened, and what we can do to restore it. To kick off the conversation, I'll begin by examining the factors that are causing the decline of trust in higher education. Public confidence in national institutions is low across the board. Entities like the Supreme Court, public school system, Congress, and more have seen declines. Each of these institutions, like higher education, exists to serve the public in a unique way. But Americans are losing faith in that mission. Of course, a polarized political climate has contributed significantly to this sentiment, but some other factors are playing a part as well. For example, the rising cost of college is a significant contributor to the decline of confidence in higher education. Studies show that tuition costs have increased by nearly 10% from 2010 to 2022. This can cause potential students to avoid attending college at all, or cause financial troubles for students that have to take out loans in order to attend. Additionally, there's an argument that college curriculums have been too slow to evolve to real-world workplace demands. Colleges and universities are not adapting quickly enough to the rapid expansion and improvement of technology and artificial intelligence resources that has taken place in recent years. The skills needed to thrive in the workplace are, seemingly, not always mapping on to what is taught in college classrooms. That was a lot, so here comes the good news. Most Americans still see the value in a college education and view it to be a benefit to society, regardless of their lack of confidence in the institutions themselves. Now let's consider what actions can be taken to gain back that public trust. First, there's a public demand for greater transparency from all national institutions, and this goes for higher education too. Disclosing information about strategy, hiring processes, compensation, intentions, and more can help the public to feel more connected to universities. Higher education institutions are a fundamental entity in the nation that reflect our values and mission as a country. The public really just wants to know that this mission is being kept in mind. Furthermore, to address the divide between skills gained through a college education and skills necessary for thriving in the workplace, colleges would benefit from marrying the humanities and the technical fields. Teaching a STEM student the importance of democratic values, or a political science student statistical programming, for example, can help to produce well-rounded, prepared students that find jobs more easily post-graduation. In conclusion, trust in higher education institutions has faced a sharp decline, but it doesn't have to stay that way. The sun has not set on the college education. In fact, 75% of enrolled college students view their degree to be worth the cost. It is a crucial time, however, for colleges to step up to the plate and restore the trust of the public. Not only does their longevity depend on it, but so does our society. Higher education is a public good, and we cannot leave it behind.